Hi guys, welcome back to 375 Dance Studio. My name's Amanda and today we are going to be doing a ballroom-based 10-minute workout. We will be doing waltz, tango, Viennese waltz, foxtrot, and a quickstep. We are going to mirror the image so it's easier to follow along. Alrighty guys, we are starting with the waltz. We're gonna have our left foot, we're gonna go to the side. Ready? And here we go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We are going to bring our arms in soon. Just getting our legs active and ready to dance. One, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's stop. Arms open to the side. Left foot is prepared. We're going to do a box step. Ready? And here we go. 1, side together, back, side together, forward, side together. Keep those arms up, even when they start burning. Very good. We're gonna finish here. And now we're gonna switch our feet. Right foot is now gonna go forward, and here we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Keep holding those arms. I know they're gonna start burning or they're already burning. Last time. And stop. From here, left foot is gonna go forward. We're gonna do close changes. Here we go, and forward, side, forward. Now back, back, side, finish it out. Forward, side, and back, side. Very good, relax the arms, shake them out. Get ready, we have tango next. Our left foot is going to go forward. Ready? 5, 6, 7, and slow, slow. Quick, quick, go back. Slow, slow. Quick, quick, forward. Slow, slow. Quick, quick, back. Slow, slow. Quick, quick, forward. Slow, slow. Quick, quick, back. Slow, slow. Ready? Going forward, rock. Slow, slow. Quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, and going back. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Do it again. Slow. Rock it out. Rock, 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 and close. Here we go. Back. Quick, quick, slow. And back to that basic. Slow, slow. Quick, quick, back, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow. Now we're gonna reintroduce your arms. They've had enough of a break. Here we go. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow. Back to those rocks. Here we go. Slow, slow. Quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, and change. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. One more time. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Finish it out. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, and relax the arms. Very good. Alrighty guys, we are going into our Viennese Waltz. We're gonna start with our left foot going forward. Here we go, shake out those arms, get ready. Open the arms. 5, 6, 7, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, side, side, forward, back, side, side, forward, back, side, side, forward, back, side, stop, and right foot is going forward, and 5, 6, ready, here we go, forward, back, side, side, forward, back, side, side, forward, back, side, side, forward, back, side, side, forward, back, side, side. Stop here. Ready? Left foot to the side. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. If your arms start to burn, you can relax them, shake them out, and bring them back when you're ready. Very good. 5, 6, 7. We're gonna stop. Very good. From here, we are going to do a box step. 5, 6, 7. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 1, and side and cross. Box. 1, 2, 3, and side and cross. Again. 1, 2, 3. Side and cross. Box. Side and cross. Cross. And stop. From here, right foot going forward, box. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3. And cross. And forward, back, cross. One more. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Cross, cross. Very good, guys. Take a nice deep breath in. Our next dance is Foxtrot. Here we go. We are gonna start with a basic step. Our left foot is gonna go forward. 5, 6, open the arms. Here we go. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, slide, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow. We're using this slide so that we could change our feet. So just a little slide, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, slide, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, slide, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow. Keep going. I know your arms must be burning, but that's okay. Slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, and stop. Very good. Shake out those arms. Get ready. We're just gonna do a side and tap. 5, 6, 7, go. Step, tap, 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 step, tap. Keep going. 5, 6, and stop. Very good. One more time. And we're done. That's it. Alrighty, guys. Last but not least, we have our quick step. Alrighty, shake those arms out. Get our arms ready. We're gonna start with the basic step. Our left foot forward. Get ready. 5, 6, 5, 6. Here we go. Slow. Quick, quick, slow, slow, 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 slow. Quick, quick, forward, forward, forward. Side together, back, back, back. Side together, forward, forward, forward. Side together, back, back, back. Side together, forward, forward, forward. Side together, back, back, back. Side together, forward, forward. Very good. All right. We are going into our chassés to the side. Get ready. 5, 6, to the left. Quick, quick, slow. 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 Alrighty, guys. This is the time. If those arms are getting tired, that's okay. Relax them. Use your legs more. Take a little rest. And when you are ready, pick them back up again. I'm gonna be ready soon. All right, here I go. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Very good. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. 5, 6, 7. Stop. And done. Alrighty guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye.